The average woman uses 12 personal care products every single day. One of them covers more surface area than anything else. Body lotion. You slather it on your arms, your legs, your chest, your stomach. It stays on your skin all day. It absorbs into your bloodstream. And unlike rinse-off products like body wash, lotion is designed to penetrate. 7 popular body lotions sold in America right now containing ingredients linked to hormone disruption, formaldehyde release, and skin irritation. And 3 clean alternatives that are actually safe. Number 7. Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant. $8. Vaseline is the default lotion. It is in every bathroom. It smells good. It feels rich. But that smell is the problem. Vaseline relies heavily on Parfum to achieve that signature cocoa scent. In the United States, the word fragrance or parfum on a label is a legal loophole. It is considered a trade secret. A company can hide over 3,000 different chemicals under that one word without listing them. One of the most common hidden chemicals is diethyl phthalate, or DEP. Phthalates are used to make scents stick to your skin and last longer. They are also documented endocrine disruptors. Phthalates are linked to reproductive system issues and hormonal interference. You are applying this to your entire body, every day. The surface area is massive. Beyond the fragrance, Vaseline is primarily water, petrolatum, and glycerin. It creates a seal over your skin. If you have sensitive skin, that heavy fragrance load combined with an occlusive barrier can trap irritants against your body all day. Number 6. Bath and Body Works Gingham Ultimate Hydration Cream. $18. Bath and Body Works is not a skincare company. They are a fragrance company. Their lotions are designed to do one thing: smell strong and last long. To achieve that, they use massive amounts of synthetic fragrance and fixatives. The ingredient concern here is lilial, and also known as butylphenylmethylpropionol. Lilial was banned in the European Union and United Kingdom in 2022 due to links to infertility and reproductive harm. Banned. Illegal to sell, but in the United States, it is still legal. While Bath and Body Works has started phasing it out in newer batches, older inventory and certain scents on shelves right now still contain it. You are paying $18 for a lotion containing an ingredient deemed unsafe for reproduction by European regulators. And because it is a hydration cream, it is thick. It stays on. It penetrates. A 2026 study linked daily use of high-fragrance leave-on products in preteens to earlier onset of puberty. The cumulative effect of these estrogen-mimicking chemicals matters. Number 5. Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. $48. This is the viral sensation. Out of the yellow tub. The smell of summer. Everyone loves it. But Sol de Janeiro has one of the highest fragrance loads in the prestige category, between 3.5 and 5% fragrance. Standard lotion is usually under 1%. That intense scent that lasts all day? That is chemical engineering. While Sol de Janeiro is phthalate-free, the sheer volume of synthetic fragrance components is a nightmare for sensitive skin and a massive chemical load for your body to process. The scent layering study specifically flagged this type of product. When you use a highly fragranced body wash, then this highly fragranced cream, then a body spray, you are stacking chemical exposure. $48. For a product that is essentially perfume in a cream base. If you have any hormonal concerns, thyroid issues, or sensitive skin, coating your entire body in 5% synthetic fragrance is a risk. Number 4. Olay Complete Daily Moisturizer for Sensitive Skin. $13. Olay, the brand your grandmother trusted. Sensitive skin is right on the bottle. Flip it over. DM-hydantoin, iodopropenyl butyl carbamate. DM-hydantoin is a formaldehyde releaser. We talked about this in my last video. It sits in the bottle and slowly releases formaldehyde to prevent bacterial growth. Formaldehyde is a known human carcinogen. Iodopropenyl butyl carbamate is a preservative restricted in other countries and known to cause allergic contact dermatitis. This product is marketed for sensitive skin, yet it contains 2 preservatives known to trigger skin irritation and allergic reactions. If you have sensitive skin, formaldehyde is the last thing you should be applying to it. The irony is that people buy this because their skin is irritated and the product itself contains the irritant. Number 3. Pond's Dry Skin Cream. $9. Another legacy brand, the jar with the blue lid. Ingredient list: water, mineral oil, isopropyl palmitate, petrolatum, and further down, DMDM, another formaldehyde releaser, in a product that people slather on their faces and bodies thick like a mask. But let's talk about the mineral oil and petrolatum. These are petroleum byproducts. In high-grade medical products, they are safe. But in cheaper mass-market lotions, there is a concern about contamination with PAHs, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. Some PAHs are carcinogenic. The European Union requires strict refining history for petrolatum to be used in cosmetics. The US does not have the same strict traceability requirements for every jar on a drugstore shelf. You are sealing your skin with petroleum and preserving it with formaldehyde. For $9. Number 2. Cerave Daily Moisturizing Lotion, $15. This is the one that shocks people. Cerave is the dermatologist darling. It is in every doctor's office. Propylparaben, right there on the label. Parabens are preservatives used to prevent mold and bacteria. But propylparaben specifically is a long-chain paraben linked to endocrine disruption. It can mimic estrogen in the body. The European Union banned several long-chain parabens, while propylparaben is restricted but allowed. Many modern clean brands have moved away from it entirely because safe alternatives exist. Cerave uses parabens because they are cheap and effective. But for a brand that markets itself on health and barrier repair, using a potential hormone disruptor is a choice. And it is not just parabens. Cerave is owned by L'Oreal. They have the technology to use safer preservatives. They just haven't updated this classic formula for the US market. Number 1. The sensitive skin product that is actually an irritant bomb. Vanicream Moisturizing Cream, $16. Vanicream is famous for being free of everything. No fragrance, no dyes, no lanolin, no parabens. It is what doctors recommend when you are allergic to everything else. But check the ingredient list. Propylene glycol. It is the 5th ingredient. High concentration. Propylene glycol is a penetration enhancer. It helps ingredients get into your skin, but it is also a documented allergen. In 2018, the American Contact Dermatitis Society named it the Allergen of the Year. For 90% of people, it is fine. But for the 10% with a propylene glycol allergy, often the exact people buying Vanicream for their eczema, this product causes a flare-up. It burns, it stings, it turns skin red, and because it is Vanicream, people assume it can't be the lotion. They assume their skin is just getting worse. Now, 3 body lotions that are actually safe. No hidden fragrance, no formaldehyde, no hormone disruptors. Number 3. Attitude Sensitive Leave Soothing Body Lotion, $13. This is the new gold standard for drugstore body care. EWG verified. That means the Environmental Working Group checked every ingredient. Truly fragrance-free. No masking scents, no unscented loophole. It uses grapeseed oil and oatmeal instead of mineral oil. It uses sodium benzoate and potassium sorbate preservatives instead of parabens or formaldehyde releasers. It is hypoallergenic. It is vegan. It is $13. Cheaper than Cerave. Cheaper than Bath and Body Works. And infinitely safer. Number 2. Henry Rose Body Cream, $45. If you missed the luxury scent of Sol de Janeiro or Bath and Body Works, this is your answer. Henry Rose was founded by Michelle Pfeiffer specifically because of the fragrance loophole. It is the first fine fragrance line to disclose 100% of its ingredients. Every single molecule in the scent is listed. No hidden phthalates, no secret musks. It uses squalane and cupuaçu butter for hydration. No mineral oil, no petrolatum. It is expensive, $45. But you are paying for transparency. You are paying to know exactly what you are smelling. If you want luxury scent without the hormone risk, this is it. Number 1. The best barrier repair lotion on the market. Osea Undaria Algae Body Butter, $56. This is the prestige choice, and it earns the price tag. The first ingredient is not water, it is shea butter, followed by Undaria algae. It uses plant-derived ceramides to actually repair your skin barrier, not just coat it in wax like Vaseline. The scent comes from natural essential oils like grapefruit and lime, which are clearly listed. No hidden chemicals. It stays on for 72 hours. It transforms dry skin, and it does it without a single drop of petroleum, parabens, or synthetic fragrance. $56 is an investment, but you use less of it because it is not watered down. If this helped you check your labels, like and subscribe. Share this with anyone who loves Bath & Body Works. They need to know. Comment below. What lotion is on your nightstand right now? I want to know. See you in the next one.